We are looking at a big change. 73 days at or above 90 degrees this year. Yesterday was that 73rd day. That ties the record number of all-time 90-degree days. Wow, about 60 degrees colder when you look at our highs this afternoon versus what we saw yesterday afternoon. And a freeze warning goes into effect tonight. So if you want to cover those plants, bring them inside, try to save them if you can, because we're definitely going to see some of that vegetation freeze overnight tonight. The snow starting to really fill in now. Denver and down south and through Inglewood into, it looks like Highlands Ranch, still looking at mainly just some wet conditions, but the snow starting to switch over, the rain switching now over to snow. And you can see from this shot here, this is City Park. Wow, what a wet scene. But we're going from a weekend where we had ash falling from the sky to rain and snow. So this is a really welcome change. Even if this seems a little early for you, it is to get snow here in Denver. It is a good change. Arvada right now 32. Look at Golden, 28. Same thing in Evergreen. Aurora, you're just a few degrees above freezing. We're going to see 30s through the day, teens and 20s in the mountains this morning. And compared to yesterday at the same time, Denver and Fort Collins about 25 degrees colder. This afternoon, again, that temperature change map is going to look even more dramatic. We have a number of alerts in place, winter weather advisories for the metro area, winter storm warnings for the foothills, and here's a look at those freeze warnings that, again, go into effect tonight through midday tomorrow as those temperatures drop. Futurecast is pretty active from the rain switching to snow through early morning. By 8 o'clock, we're likely all going to be seeing snow. It's going to come down pretty heavy and through those northern Front Range mountains. So parts of Boulder and Larimer counties, you're looking at over a foot by early tomorrow morning. Through the afternoon, we may see a few spots up to the northeast, switch over briefly to rain, but likely you're going to see mainly just snow. Through tonight, that's right around 7:30, and then it will start to taper off a bit through early tomorrow. We'll likely be waking up to some light snow showers lingering through the morning, and then potentially a few flurries in the afternoon. Upper 30s to low 40s. It's going to be pretty chilly again tomorrow afternoon as well. Just a touch warmer than what we're going to see today. These totals, again, are going to seem a lot more impressive when you look at the numbers because a lot of this is going to melt when it hits the ground, but still those totals will be at over a foot for the foothills, northern Front Range mountains. That is some really good, much needed moisture considering our drought conditions. 3 to 6 inches for the metro area, and then the Palmer Divide, so spots like Castle Rock, Castle Pines, and then stretching west through Roxborough Park, you're looking at more like around 5 to 10 inches by midday tomorrow. So that's why we've issued a Denver 7 weather action day both today and tomorrow for the cold, the snow, the early snow, and then a big warm up. This is such a crazy Colorado 7 day, but it happens. We're going to be back in the 70s by Friday, mostly sunny skies into the first of next week, 80s.